All right, now welcome back. Comedy Friday on Top Talk Talk, and we still get comedian No Trespass in the studio to talk about a lot of things with us. But before we actually get to know who you be, whether you go school, whether you're married, or you get children, or you're planning to marry,
or you get a baby mama,
or you get a baby mama. Before we actually get to know that, we get some discussion topics we need to discuss right now. Now, I want to ask Una ladies, you go accept breakup gifts? I'm not saying you are married, but I'm just saying you can talk about the breakup gifts in general. You go accept breakup gift. Why I talk to somebody say recently I been talk with one of my friends, and she come outside talk say her ex with the tell her say let's have a parting gift. Let's just travel somewhere for a weekend, have fun, and then that will be our parting gift. So I say okay, fine. The talk ladies would like to discuss that. Parting gift, what do you think about them and you go accept them at all?
Parting gift.
If you break up with your boyfriend or your girlfriend,
okay,
you believe, say, parting gift is needed?
Needed. Parting gift. I not to say they needed though. Because I can't part with you, you give me a gift. I suppose keep that gift.
That's another thing again.
Because if I collect the gift, I can't marry person. Or yes, I can't marry person. I will definitely, throw away the gift. I don't mind. It depends on the person where I can't marry. Because the person if you don't want to see something else from another guy, don't buy
for you.
Because tell me, so I know if you afford that thing, or wait till they try to tell me why you keep him. Because even as a woman, if I see my guy, maybe with a date, and my guy come with, we don't date for quite a while, I can't tell me, now the thing where your ex-girlfriend give you, now ain't be this. Why you they keep him? What will be the reason why you keep him? So I don't even get understand what I talk. Why you go collect? No, you don't be saying it's bad to do parting gift. But the problem is saying if you collect that parting gift, how long you intend to keep that parting gift? If the parting gift is something tangible, I don't feel say it go dey all right to keep them. So it better mean you no collect them.
If it's not tangible,
but the parting gift is something like maybe we just come out, go flex for the last time.
You do it.
No be say they give me anything to hold. It do all right. Because now, this is the last time we will go hang out. Maybe we just go party and then it go end. We know don't be say we dey go out to your house. No. We dey go out to maybe destination.
You go do that one.
That one, I not go need to, at least I know they collect anything from your hand. Say, okay. I won't keep the cherry. Say, now the last time I date this guy.
But this is memories now. You going out to the person, not memories.
Now part of memories you be that. You go still get that memory from your head. Not be something physical.
Okay, where you go see physically.
Where you go keep there. Your husband in future will come say, who gave you this? You can say my ex-boyfriend.
And you still have it.
And you still have it.
Okay.
I don't see the use.
Awa?
I'm going to the left.
The left is enter left.
She want enter my position.
So, on the behalf of those girls, when I don't date with you 5, 10 years, I don't suffer with you on your when you don't get anything. Now, when you can't remember, say you don't hit them, you can't remember, say now educated girl you won't marry or that kind of thing. Sorry, no, that's a car. You don't want destination. I will just go chop. Come out everything for toilet, come back, waiting me that. That no be that, parting gift for me. Parting gifts. You see, give me a car. Some people you don't even reach for the girlfriends with landed property because now pension. No. It's true now. Some people, man, they don't even sabi the man pass the wife. So they are entitled to pension. Thank you very much. Parting gifts, car, landed property, miles. Give, we collect. Even in short, it's even possible for whoever I'm going to meet next, we shall use that parting gift together in a new levels. What is that? I beg you.
What do you think about parting gift? Let me know.
Well, like what she talk now, say destination, but sometimes say man over calculation the warriors.
Where?
So, person will give you parting gift, say. Person know they carry, man know they carry last.
You want to eat the last
No, because before man go, because that one you go need plan them. And I say don't plan them. You will say you want to collect the gift for your mind. Go to say now you smart pass. So eventually we go see maybe now the bushmeat now you go cash the hunter. I've been at the hunter. But most time they likely say now the hunter now you go always carry. Because for person to say I want to give you parting gift, are you safe? You can't reason and say just like that, just easily. I know say the one we go worse pass. We say maybe go collect parting gift for there get belly. I don't call part now. Okay, who go call get that kind of belly? Like say it is that one a parting belly like you call it.
But what do you think about parting gift in general?
Well, I just think to me, it's not meaningful. To me, no get. I go maybe because me I know if you do I'm sure. parting gift. Why I no just keep the gift for person when they come?
They come, exactly.
I go give you parting gift.
Points,
So,
I beg.
but seriously, even for as I be man, if I say, oh man, we won't give me parting gift,
You collect.
everything should be received with Thanksgiving.
Yeah, right. For me, I don't actually see any reason with them because I don't see, like in my own kind of person, even though if I don't date you before and then we separate, even all the things that you don't buy for me, I know they keep them. Because it's not something that they remind me of the person. So parting gifts, now another one to cage me. Because even as you say no, we go destination. As you go destination, that love will come back again because you are together Friday, Saturday, and Sunday.
Oh, you think
Eating,
only 2 days?
lounging,
Only 2 days?
having time.
1 week, 1 week on day.
1 week. Oh my God. And then you come
This
back.
destination, what are they talking about? Destination, no be destination.
What's the destination?
Now, 3 hours destination. 3 hours.
You know that 3 hours is
I don't
something.
talk about
3 days out on honeymoon.
For me, even that 3 hours
honeymoon,
is something because you can't go back. Me, I be very emotional person. I'll come to go back. They remember. Okay, how we laugh when we talk about this, how we eat this one, how he talk to me about this, I talk to me about that.
But if not you, they actually separate from the guy, you're not supposed to feel.
I'm not going to ask for a batting gift, but mostly now the
No,
guys
you know
always
they
ask for
what
the
are they
batting
talk?
gift.
Shouldn't that you they actually call for the separation?
No.
And the guy can't tell you say as in Ingo like parting gift.
If me, I call for the separation, the guy I want parting gift, I'm not doing it. If he call for the separation and I would definitely not call for parting gift. I need call for parting gift. I will not do it because I'm very emotional. Whether I say I call for the separation due to one reason or the other, I go, if we are together, even though in 1 hour, 1 hour of being with someone mean a lot to me. A lot. Even though say we quarrel, I will go back what they think of and say, hey, that quarrel will quarrel. See, I will come play at the end of the day. Oh, see, I will come end that up. No, so parting gift for me, I not see them as a nice idea. When I don't decide to go separate ways, just let it go. You don't need a gift to say, thank you for being with me. Just let it go. But if you want to be like I want to collect car, fine. I'm not holding you.
I need a car.
Collect.
I
If you want to.
I want really enter that left lane.
Now, let's
Hey,
if you want to, you
entered
can
the
really.
lane.
So make I actually know, comedian, no trespass. What should be your real name?
Shegun Akinola.
Oh, Shegun.
Shegun
No,
Akinola.
Shegun no be complete name. Oluwasegun.
Oluwasegun Akinola.
So at which point you discover, say, comedy in the line for you?
Well, normally when your parents they dream of every parent, they say, okay, you go born Peking, yeah, they go get Peking, then the Peking go secondary school. From there, they enter university. And say for this our generation now, our parents, if you be doctor, they want me to be lawyer, if you not be lawyer. So basically going to school to study engineering, for my mind, I believe, say, I be one kind of ethical when I come out secondary school, say, okay, na engineering, no doubt. But even from secondary school days, I just say my friends that they do birthday like that, they just tell me, I can't anchor this party. But that time, I didn't even reason who born me where I go tell my father, say, after secondary school, I didn't even think of it. But getting into university as an engineering student, just a go, before we knew we started to do small stage dancing. I was just doing all those things for fun. As long as at least you did university, nobody did there to hold you, no father, no mother, you are just free. I felt I was just enjoying freedom. So along the line, I started having this passion of, okay, this guy said I'm funny. Okay, when there's a show, okay, give me 5 minutes. Bros, I bet if you just give me like 5 minutes, make I just, and from there, 5 minutes, 10 minutes. Then until somebody offered, there was this show a bank did on campus then that had P Square and some other people, and they said, okay, you're going to anchor. I said, wow. And after that, they just give me one funny money. And for my mind, like, hey.
You don't blow.
So you may say, just to open my mouth, talk, extra allow we go there. I beg, one career down. So even at that too, I still wasn't sure, like, are you really ready for this? Because then combining that with your academics was really... But anyway, I think it was at that point I actually saw that I think there is more to life, more to being in the university than actually what brought me in. So from there, I had to just...
Also, you not drop out.
That's what
Oh, it remains small.
So, okay, as you don't drop out, where you keep engineering now?
And the only way I use engineering now, if my bulb spoil for house, I repair them. I guess for house, I guess screwdriver.
Which part of engineering first you going?
I actually do electronic, and I'm a certified electronic and electrical engineer.
Just for mouth. For mouth.
No, for paper.
I decline polo. I even repair transformer for my dream.
They send you as
for my dream.
Here. That means you just cack the certificate where you just
No, what's the wife like? No, that is a drama fan.
But you feel anything they bad with you working with your certificate and still being a comedian? Because later, I think so we go ask you which type of comedy they do. Anything they bad with you mixing both of them together? Because we see the likes of Alibaba still doing radio and still doing his comedy.
Yes.
Well, I think there's nothing bad in engineering. It's just that nowadays I think I have a bit of diversity. I'm diversifying into media now.
Okay.
Yeah, I think media is taking more of my attention.
Which kind of media?
I'm looking at radio.
Which kind of
I'm
media?
looking at radio,
Okay.
radio, TV production.
I mean,
and all
they
that.
speak English, they give us.
I know. I want to say yes.
One
it's
tell us
ready
say
for-
they-
In short,
They
our
ready
dear
for
fellow
radio.
viewers, to be comedian no mean say no go school. He go school, he sabi speak English, I speak pidgin. Continue, my brother.
And I
Show
sabi
them.
repair transformer.
Na so, tell them.
So basically, if you,
Unlawfully or illegally.
okay,
ladder.
you want like say you never stay for a house where on a reconnect on a lights without.
No. I never stay.
We are God-fearing and law-abiding citizens of Nigeria.
Remove God fear
No,
itself.
remove God
Very
fear.
law abiding.
I never do
I know
at
they
one
do that
time.
kind of
Why
thing.
me I don't even feel bother myself about say I won't do much of engineering because all through my university days, I don't to practice the career for hostel where they live. Because for my hostel, they cut our light anyhow. And we know they worry. As they cut down, we go tap light for like 3 streets away. NEPA go they see light, they go say, where this guy from where?
Which school be that, abeg?
Expo.
Which school be that?
That lost the school. One of the school that they...
Lautech, Ladoke Akintola University of Technology for Ogbomosho.
Oh, okay.
So make we know which type of comedy they do.
Well, I do stand up. I also do compare for events. I know say basically before people want MC for events, they don't mind. They just need person MC go just organize the event. But nowadays they find the double portion. So you go organize the events at the same time you go still fund this month so that at least so if they get the money they will pay for the two. So when people say they want comedians as MC, what I tell them is na double package you define. You go coordinate your events, you go still furnish joint, so you go have still pay double money.
Okay, because I want to have more action now. So you believe,
2 in
say,
1.
as an MC and as a comedian, no be the same thing.
No be the same. No be the
Okay,
same.
but which
Even
one you be?
Between
Because
the two.
obviously, yes, you say you be comedian, right?
Stand up. He put stand up. Oh.
You be stand-up
Now wetin you
comedian,
talk?
right? And we also get normal comedians where they do all this
Online.
They're
They are
just-
online.
They
they're
get different
they're
types
just
of
comic-
hair.
we can call them comic-
different
comic
types.
actors. They're just comic
Then we
actors.
can't get MC and you don't talk and say they're very different.
Basically,
So
I
which
think
one
I
you
think
did?
you can't really call someone. Someone can't just say is an MC. You can't just. Most people that do MC jobs are actually into other things. The MC thing is more or less like a skill. It's just like a skill, by the way. Because that's why you see a newscaster
Can be an
can
MC.
be an MC.
I
Just
am
come
an
up.
MC. You
So
are an MC.
Anybody can. So basically, if you just say what you do is you being an MC, then that means there's more to you that you've not discovered. So when you are doing MC, from my own
Your
little knowledge,
comedy na English or pidgin?
Exactly. That English, this guy doesn't speak since.
basically, I did a service switch. No mind me. No mind. Basically, when you
You don't
You
start
still
to.
they do 'em.
You don't start to.
okay, more jolly like that. But seriously, the way I don't arrange myself, I say, okay, no matter how the event comes, if this one are like, okay, this one are corporate gathering, because basically when you do all this corporate level now, they'll just tell you, so actually you're gonna do this event, you're just gonna go straight to English. We don't want more of in our life, forget na package. So sometimes, I have to build myself in such a way that, okay, if na pidgin come, okay, more just catagram, more just drum, shoo, okay. And if na the one will be say, okay, the one more just put everything inside the shell, more just package ourselves, more just like say we use our nose talk, no problem. Because you know all this foreign language where they see, so people they form phone. Some people they not born there with time, like people like us. But when you see where they pay you better money, it will come.
You go acquire.
So
am by
meaning
force.
say you be MC and you be comedian.
Stand up.
Yeah.
Use that stand up.
Sorry.
As a
you be
stand up
MC.
comedian, you must drop something for us. Please use that stand up.
Well,
He's a stand up comedian. So drop something for talk before you
Well,
ask
you know, this is Nigeria, and Nigeria is one of the best countries in the world. And you know, Nigeria is the only country in the world where you see 2 policemen sharing one gun in this country.
They share one gun.
2 policemen. And you know the funniest thing for this country is only in this country. Seriously, it's only in this country you study microbiology and work in police station. Only in Nigeria.
No, you didn't need
Oh, you
them.
need them now. You need the medical team.
For inside police
for
station,
inside
yes.
Okay, for what a person will study Yoruba will be bank manager, what's it they find?
In
It's
case of those who get
communicating
from Mr.
with
President.
What are you saying?
Thank you. We came out for here. But yeah, give us another one.
Now-
Talk another one.
No,
Make my alarm crash. crack joke.
I tell you, when you did between three, I don't think call on our way show.
You complete. Two they miss. If you complete, you go wrong. Come out from here.
Now make me they praise women, men when they marry when they do polygamous life to get 3 women as a day and this one pass on seat. This one has set of the world. Yeah, so viewers more than no verse. Now just I know if you call on a principality. Oh, wait a minute, and I just did it. All right, but you know seriously. You know, one thing I like about this country, we say everything they do, they very, very unique. I like Nigeria so much.
Okay.
You know, all these policemen, the way they take operate, now only go for airports. And they saw where around Shomolu. Policemen, they near in van, they just sit down there, they do patrol. One guy don't come out. One the guy begin to run. One bere. Policeman, they don't even want to know what happened. Policeman say carry them gun. They begin to run. One bere. Policeman say they run follow us. From Shomolu, we don't enter Bariga. From Bariga, we don't near Costain. Policeman begin to run. Everybody they run follow the police. People call the ask police say, as a paramilitary, at least they supposed to get idea. Oh God, why are we running? Say, I don't know too. You better start running. We don't nearly reach Akmogbo. Now the policeman say, oh, everybody stop. Why are we running? Say, young man, come here. Why are you making us to run? I say, we say, what in there, Berry? I say, oh God, what in Berry? Ask man you. And he say, I say, where that guy arrest me? I say, oh God, why you arrest me? Say, I arrest you for running anyhow. I say, he?
Are you kidding me?
Seriously. And you know, that one...
You know, as I weak. As you just talk that day.
Thank you very much, Commander Trespass. No trespass. You don't actually...
You really do the no trespass.
No trespass. We don't really need to trespass. I mean, if they want to follow you, how they follow you?
Okay, you know, so nowadays, people, they follow person, they plenty. Okay, if you follow me, but I better not do me bad. If you follow me for Facebook now, No Trespass Comedian. No Trespass now, NOTRESPAZZ. No Trespass Comedian. Instagram comedian _ No Trespass. Twitter comic No Trespass.
Snapchat.
Or maybe just summarize. If you just summarize everything, and you just go to www.notrespass.tv. Everything they did. www.notrespass.tv.
All right, thank you so much. Say your entire our studio today. Thank you.
Make I thank Pass Jared.
Thank you so much. So make sure say. Okay, and we.
I said, when I add plus to our career now.
So. All right, follow our on top www.notrespass.tv. All right, that's what it be with comedian No Trespass. Follow him on top of social media. We're going to need to buy some more break. When we come back, we will get one love expert in the studio for us to talk more on top love.
So yeah.
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not done.